Good afternoon and welcome back to Marino Custom Works. If you're into DIY, home improvements, or just curious about how things work, this is the place for you. Today we're going to dive into a problem many homeowners in the Azores and other islands face. It's a salty plague called efflorescence. Does this look familiar? That's right, it's those persistent white flaky crystals that show up on your concrete walls, floors, or even ceilings. And trust me, this isn't just some cosmetic issue. Left untreated, it can cause bigger problems. But don't worry, we've got solutions. So what causes this? Well, it all starts with the concrete blocks used in many island homes. The problem is the sand they use to make these blocks is often dredged from the ocean. And here's the kicker, it's not properly washed. That means salt gets trapped inside the concrete. When moisture seeps in, the salt dissolves in water and makes its way to the surface, where it forms those crystals in a process called efflorescence. It's like your walls are growing salt flowers. Beautiful, but not what you want in your home. So how can you stop this salt invasion? Well, prevention is key. Before the damage starts, there are some proactive steps you can take to seal your home from moisture. Make sure to waterproof your roof, seal and paint exterior walls, caulk around doors and windows, and don't forget to seal around the foundation. These might seem like small tasks, but they make a huge difference. Now let's say the damage has already been done. Fear not, my friend. You can still tackle it. In this video, I'm testing out a new product that promises to bond with the salt in your walls and stop it from bleeding through for good. Sound too good to be true? Well, we'll find out. This is the product I'm using today. It's available on Amazon Spain. And for my US viewers, there's a similar product available on Amazon US too. Both claim to be super effective at sealing in the salt. Let's give it a shot and see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, so here's the fun part, application. It's super easy to use. You don't need to be a professional to tackle this. Just follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. Once the product is applied and fully dry, you're in the clear to move on to the next steps. Spackling, sanding, and priming the walls for paint just like you normally would. It's that simple. No more worrying about salt bleeding through your fresh paint job. Now in some cases, moisture doesn't just affect the walls. For this particular repair, we discovered some wood rot in the floor caused by long-term exposure to moisture. So here's what we did to fix that. First, we removed the damaged wood, cleaned and cemented the affected section of the floor to create a solid foundation. Then we added a Tyvek moisture barrier to help prevent future issues. Once that was in place, we installed the new flooring and baseboards to finish the job. This is an extra step you might need to take if moisture has been sitting in your home for a while. But with the right materials and a little bit of time, you can fix it up good as new. Thanks for watching. And again, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and hit subscribe to catch all our latest tips and tricks. We'll check back in a few weeks to see how well this product has worked. Stay tuned for that update. And if you have any questions or other solutions you've tried, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing what works for you. See you next time on Marino Custom Works.